Hello students, in this video we are going to see determinant topic. Determinant topic जो कि आपने 11th में 10th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है, 11th स्टैंडर्ड में वही आगे थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यू करना है। 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आपको पढ़ना है डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3, जबकि डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 आपने 10th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है। हाउ टू एक्सपेंड डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 2, ये है डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 2। तो इसको एक्सपेंशन क्या होगा इसका, डिटरमिनेंट का ए डी माइनस बी इंटू सी, ये होगा इसका एक्सपेंशन। वेर एज डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3, ये देखो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3, सो यू कैन एक्सपेंड दिस डिटरमिनेंट बाय द एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो, ये है एलिमेंट्स ऑफ फर्स्ट रो, या तो बाय द एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट कॉलम भी एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं आप। इफ यू एक्सपेंड इट बाय द एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो, so the expansion will be like this. First element of first row is a11, the remaining elements are what, a12, a13, a22, a23, फिर a32 और a33, फिर माइनस साइन कंपल्सरी लिखना है आपको, a12 into determinant of remaining elements, a21, then a31, then a23, a33, फिर इसके बाद लास्ट एलिमेंट इज a13, here a13 into determinant of this element, a21, a22, फिर a31 and a32. So further we will expand it because ये determinant of order 2 है जो कि आपने expand कर चुके हैं इधर. So let us see problems on this. Okay, we'll do questions on this. So how to expand determinant of order 2. पहले 2 questions है, उसमें से आप second question करते हैं या first question भी करते हैं. See here, determinant D is equal to what? First question. Find value of this determinant. What is it? 2, 7, minus 4 and minus 50. So yes question. So how to expand this? It is 2, minus 4, 7 और minus 50. ये देखो क्रॉस AD and minus BC, AD and minus BC. So AD और minus BC मतलब 2 into minus 50 which is minus 30, फिर माइनस ऑफ 7 इंटू माइनस 4 विच इज़ माइनस 28, मतलब प्लस 28 और ये माइनस विच इज़ माइनस। फिर इसके बाद ये डन। देन सेकेंड क्या है देखो, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज डिटरमिनेंट डी इज इक्वल टू 2i 3 4 and minus i. This is determinant. We will expand it. Minus 2i square, then minus 12. So but I is what? I is equals to square root of minus 1. What is I square? I square is equals to minus 1, and minus I square equals to what? Plus 1. What is this minus I square? It is equal to plus 1. तो ये आएगा माइनस आई स्क्वायर इज प्लस 1, मतलब 2 माइनस 12 विच इज माइनस 10. ओके, डन. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, दिस इज डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3. सो लेट अस एक्सपेंड दिस डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3. हियर डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 वी विल एक्सपेंड. सी हियर हाउ वी एक्सपेंड दिस डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ऑर्डर 3. We will expand determinant of order 3. Question number 3. Determinant D is equal to, see the first row is 3 minus 4 5, then second row is 1 1 minus 2, and the third row is 2 3 1. We will expand this. So we will expand this. What are the elements of first row? That is 3. Remaining elements are these 1, minus 2 and 3. So value of this determinant, that is 1, 3, minus 2, 1. Then minus of minus 4, and remaining elements are what? 1, 2 and minus 2, 1. 1, 2, minus 2, 1. Then plus 5 into, see the last element of first column is 5, ये 5 है, remaining elements क्या है? 1, 1 और 2, 3. तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 1, 1 और 2, 3. We will expand this further. What will be the expansion of this? 3 into, ये 1 minus of minus 6 plus 6, 1 plus 6 आएगा, ये plus 4 होगा, and this is 1 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4. So 1 plus 4, 5 आएगा, that is 5 into, here expansion of this is 3 minus 2, which is 1. So what will be the value? Yes student, this is 7 into 3, 21. फिर ये 20 आएगा, 20, और ये आएगा 5. This is what? 5. So in all we are getting it equals to what? 46 answer आएगा इसका. Okay. Then next question we'll do. See here, find value of x. ये इक्वेशन दिया है आपको. So ये इक्वेशन दिया है, इसमें you have to find value of x. X 2x. Okay. So we'll find value of x for this. See what is the determinant here. See the question is this: x minus 1, 2, here 2x 1 minus 3, 3 minus 4, 5. Okay, the right hand side is 29. So what we will do, इसको हम expand करेंगे, ये determinant को हम expand करेंगे. So let us expand it. X into expansion of this determinant, directly I will write 5 minus of this 12, 5 minus 12 क्योंकि ये minus 4 और minus 3 plus 12 ही होगा और बीच में minus साइन होता है. Then minus of minus 1 into ये देखो 2x into 5, 10x. देखो 10x minus of minus 3 will be plus 9 होगा ये, and plus 2 into 8x minus 8x. Okay, ये students minus 8x और minus 3 आएगा, minus 3. Okay, minus 8x minus 3 and which is equals to what? 29. तो हमको ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना है. ये होगा minus 7x, ये होगा plus 10x plus 9. This is what? minus 16x और ये होगा minus 6. राइट हैंड साइड इज 29. फिर ये होगा हाउ मच? minus 13x. ये स्टूडेंट्स minus 13x और ये टोटल ये देखो minus 3 और ये see here it is plus 3 and this it will be 26. That means x will be equals to 26 divided by minus 13 और इसका आंसर आएगा आपको -2. You are getting -2. So -2 is the answer. Okay. Next question is, here we have to find value of x and y, where this equation is given to you. Here value of x and y is to be find out. ये इक्वेशन दिया है 4i. then I cube, then 2I, or 1 3I square 4 5 minus 3 or I, that is equal to what? X plus I y. It is given, and you have to find what? X and y, x और y find करना है. So let us find it. So x and y आपको find करना है इसमें. हाँ, so we'll find x and y. Okay, we will expand this determinant. So let us expand this determinant. Okay, so 4I, we will expand this determinant. 4I into, before expanding this determinant, let us simplify this. ये I cube है, so I cube is equal to what? Listen here, I cube is equal to minus I होता है, और I square is equal to what? minus 1. तो ये I cube को minus I लिखो, ये I square को minus 1 लिखो. So this we will write in one more time, we will write the determinant. ये होगा minus I, और ये 2I, this is 1 minus 3 और 4, यहाँ पे 5 minus 3 and I. What is the right hand side? Right hand side is x plus iy. Right hand side is what? X plus iy. So let us solve this. So we will solve it. झोपले आताच झोपलेली ते मग पाठव काय पाठव. करंजी पोळी पोळी मी म्हणलं तिचं डोकं दुखलं आहे, दुखत आहे, झोपली आत्ताच, थोड्या वेळानं उठल्यावर पाठवतो मी. चल सुरू करू मी आता. Here we will expand this determinant. 4I into minus 3I plus 12. Okay, expansion of this. Then minus of minus I, minus of minus I minus 20. Then plus 2I into minus 5, minus 3 it is. Expansion of this determinant, minus 3 it is, minus 3 plus 15, plus 15. Yes, expansion of this determinant, 4I minus 3I plus 12, then this minus of minus I minus 20, then 2I into minus 3 plus 15. The right hand side as it is we will write, it is x plus iy. Then simplify it, minus 12I square it will be, minus 12I square it will be, plus 48I. This is plus I. Okay, it is plus I and this multiplied it is, so plus it is I square this is plus I multiplied it minus 20I, then this is what 12, so it is 24I. Right hand side is x plus I1. Yes students. So wherever I square is there, so we'll write it minus 1, तो ये होगा plus 12 because I square is minus 1. हाँ, ये 48I as it is लिखना है आपको. Here I square will write minus 1, फिर ये minus 20I and 24, so it gives us 4I. It is equal to what? X plus IY आएगा. ओके, फिर ये दिस इज व्हाट 52I और ये 11, तो 11 प्लस 52I और राइट हैंड साइड क्या है बच्चों? x plus IY, x plus IY. So two complex numbers are equal when their real part, that is x, is 11 and imaginary part y is equal to what? 52. This is we are required. So we are interested to find this only. So this is what required. So thus we are getting x is equal to 11, y is equal to what? 52. Okay. Now next question is, we'll do the next question. So next question we will do. Here in the next question we are finding all minors and cofactors of, okay, minors and cofactors of the elements of the matrix. So we'll find all minors and cofactors of the elements of matrix. Yes, so we'll find all minors and cofactors of the elements of matrix. So what is the determinant? So what is the determinant? Listen here. Determinant is determinant is D is equal to what are the elements of determinant? 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 7, okay, second column, and the third column is 3, minus 1, 2. Yes, so we find all minors and cofactors. So what is the minor of first element A11? Okay, minor is obtained by eliminating the, see, Mij is a minor of the element Aij. It is obtained by it is the value of determinant obtained by deleting the elements of ith row and jth column. अगर आपको इसका minor find करना है ये element का, तो we will delete the element of first row or first column, तो ये remaining elements उसका value of this determinant, that is the minor of this element, and we denote it by, it is in the position of A11, so इसका minor we denote by M11, so we will denote it by what? M11. So देखो M11, it is minor of the first element, so it is value of this determinant. What is this determinant? 2, 7, minus 1 or 2. Yes students, so इसका value क्या आएगा? 4 minus of minus 7 is plus 7, 11 होगा. फिर इसके बाद minor of the second element M12, okay, मतलब ये element का minor. So how to get? So we delete the element of first row or second column. remaining elements are 1, 5. Okay, yes, minus 1 or 2. So what will be the value of this determinant? 2 and minus of minus 5. So it is 2 plus 5, it will be 7. Then M13 minor of the third element of first row, मतलब ये 3. तो इसका minor how we find? It is the value of determinant. It is the value of determinant deleting element of first row और third column. मतलब कौन से elements है? 1, 5 और 2, 7. What will be the expansion? 7 minus 10, it will be minus 2. 7 minus 10, it is minus 2. So this is what minors of all first elements, elements of first row. अभी second rows के elements देखो, M21, that is minor of the first element of second row. So we delete the element of second row or first column. So what are the remaining elements? minus 1, 3 or 7, 2. After deleting the element of second row or first column, ये minus 1 plus 3 है, sorry, it is plus 3, minus 1, 3, 7 or 2. So expansion of this is what? minus 2 or minus 21. Minus 2 or minus 21, it is minus 23. Yes. Then M22, what will be M22? Here M22. So M22 is minor of the element of second row or second column, मतलब ये 2. So we delete the element of second row or second column, second row और second column के. तो remaining elements क्या आते हैं? 2, 3 और 5, 7. second row भी eliminate करना है आपको और second column भी. Okay, these are the elements. इसका value क्या आएगा? 4 minus 15. Okay, it is 4 और ये minus 15, मतलब minus 11. फिर M23 देखो, that is the element of second row और third column. second row और third column eliminate करेंगे आप तो 2 और minus 1 आएगा. second row और third column eliminate करना है. 5, 7. Yes. What will be the expansion of this? 14 plus 5 is 19. फिर ये होगा elements of second row. फिर third row देखो, M31. So M31, that is third row and first column. So what are the remaining elements? minus 1, 2 और 3, minus 1. Yes students. इसका expansion क्या होगा? expansion होगी 1 and minus 6, which is minus 5. फिर M32. So third row और second column. third row और second column आप delete करेंगे. So what are the remaining elements? 2, 1 और 3, minus 1. So what will be the expansion? minus 2 और minus 3, minus 5 आएगा. फिर next is M33, that is minor of the last element of the third column. तो third column भी eliminate करना है और third row भी eliminate करना है. What are the remaining elements? 2, 1, minus 1 और 2. Okay, so it is 4, 2, 1, 2 minus 1 और 1, 2. 4 plus 1, that is 5. So ये हो गए minors. Then we will find what? cofactors. कोफैक्टर के लिए आपको ये फार्मूला याद रखना होगा. लिसन हियर, कोफैक्टर्स. सो हाउ टू गेट कोफैक्टर्स? यस स्टूडेंट्स, कोफैक्टर्स. सो वेरी फर्स्ट आई विल राइट ऑल माइनर्स. सो देखो, हाउ विल राइट फार्मूला फॉर कोफैक्टर. देखो, it is Cij is the cofactor of element Aij and it is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j into mij into mij. ये फार्मूला है ओके कोफैक्टर के लिए. So this is what formula for cofactors. It is formula for cofactors. Cij is equal to m minus 1 raised to power I plus j into mij. So here I will be writing formula for cofactors. Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j into mij into what? Mij. So this is what formula for cofactors. So according to this formula, अगर I plus j even है, देखो I plus j हमारा even है, so what we will get? If I plus j is even, then minus 1 raised to power even plus होता है, तो Cij will be equal to what? Mij. लेकिन ये अगर ऑड होता है, so in that case minus 1 raised to power ऑड पावर रहेगा तो नेगेटिव होगा. So Cij is equal to what? minus Mij. ओके बच्चों. वैसे ही देखो ये 3 plus 2 ये ऑड होता है तो Cij will be what? minus of C32 will be what? minus of M32. ये भी ऑड होता है तो C23 will be what? minus of M23. ये इवन होता है 3 plus 4, 3 plus 1. ये 2 plus 2 भी इवन होता है, ये 3 plus 3 भी इवन होता है. So हाँ, so accordingly we are getting C11 is equal to M11, C12 is equal to minus of M12, C13 is equal to M13, फिर C21 is equal to minus of M21, C22 is equal to M22, और C23 is equal to minus of M23. Then C31 is equal to M31, C32 is equal to M32 minus of, और C33 is equal to M33. Now C11 okay is equal to M11. What is our M11? Yes students, M11 is equal to what? M11 11 है, M12 7 है और M13 minus 3. 11 7 और minus 3. So ये 11 7 देखो M11 11 है, 11 है, ये 7 है तो minus 7 होगा और -3 है तो -3 ही रहेगा. ओके. फिर इसके बाद M21 है -23 तो उसका माइनस होगा +23. हाँ ये देखो -23 है. M22 इज इक्वल टू -11 है तो सेम रहेगा, साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. M23 देखो M23 19 है तो ये होगा -19, साइन चेंज होगा. देन C31 will be equal to how much? C31 will be equal to how much? C31 is equal to, C31 is -5 है, C32 है -5 और C33 +5 है. ये -5 है तो -5 ही रहेगा, लेकिन ये +5 होगा बिकॉज इट इज़ -5. और ये C33 सेम साइन रहेगा बट इट इज़ फॉर्चुनेटली 5. सो ये हो गए ऑल कोफैक्टर्स. सो देर आर ऑल 9 माइनर्स एंड कोफैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स, ऑफ दिस डिटरमिनेंट T. d is equal to this. These are the minus and cofactors. So yes students, here in this exercise 4.1 we have solved up to question number 4. Thank you for watching this video.